Hello, I'm Dale Petronk. Earlier this week, I had my Anschutz 1761 out to the range to shoot it at 100 yards. I decided I would use SK pistol match special because it's been performing reasonably well. And following that, I had a little bit of leftover of some Center X. And so I don't know what that lot was from, and I don't remember particularly if it was a good lot or bad lot. But I shot 25 rounds of that as well. So we've got 12 groups of 5 at 100 yards with SK pistol match special, and 5 groups of 5 at 100 yards with Center X. The pistol match special, I focused on trying to get it in the center ring, the 10s, not so much with the Center X because I had limited kind of rounds to be able to sight in and clean up things. So as you will see in the video that follows, the range was a pretty nice day.
As you can see, there's very little wind. Nice day, semi-cloudy. Gonna try some SK pistol match special at 100 yards. See how well I do.
The results from the overall scores for pistol match special were 0.64. Let me move it over where I can see it. 0.87, 1.04, 0.61, 1.05, 0.81, 1.0, 0.39, which is the best I've ever shot at 100 yards with a 22, 0.91, 0.86, 1.26, and 0.65 for an overall average of 0.84 inches. So it performed very well for me, shooting easily under an inch, not quite 3/4 of an inch at 100 yards. So I'm quite pleased with the results of that. The Center X didn't perform quite as well, but didn't do badly. It shot a 0.65, a 0.59, a 1.53, which was the worst of the day, a 1.0, 1.24 for an overall average of 1.0. So it didn't do badly, but it didn't do quite as well as the SK pistol match special had done. Now, I'm going to do more testing at 100 yards, but this is kind of the initial foray, and it seems to be reasonably conducive to shooting at 100 yards and being able to perform satisfactorily for much of what I would use it to do. May all your shooting be X's, and have a great day.
All right, I'm out at the range and going to try some Lapua pistol match special, or excuse me, SK pistol match special to see how well it does at 100 yards. I think I have it roughly sighted in, but my plan is to treat the first upper left corner as a sighter and kind of go from there with it and see where we're at. The orange circle is a 1/2 inch. The gray circle is 1 inch. The outer circle is 3 inches. Okay, we're going to shoot the ones on the right. Going to start with the upper left as the sighter again. Again, we're using pistol match special. All right, I've got a half a box of Lapua Center X. I don't know how well it'll shoot, but it's the SK Pistol Match Special. Did all right. I thought I would give it a try. So I'm going to do the upper left as the sighter, kind of see where we're at, and go from there. I expect it to be low. I didn't expect it to be quite that low, but we'll have to see where it goes.